Hi, I'm still seeing plenty of messages from new users asking how they can earn coins on here, so I thought I would show exactly what I do every time I come onto the website. The first thing I do always is roll the faucet to see what the current jackpot is, and because of the loyalty bonus, whatever I win will be increased by that percentage. Next is to do a PTC ad, as that will enable entry into the rain pool afterwards. At the top left here it shows you that a total of 446 coins can be earned by viewing all the ads on this page. That looks like a nice ad. At the top you see the countdown on the Contiply thumbnail and wait for the green check mark. Now you can close the ad website to go back to Contiply and validate by matching the correct image to the word. Now going over to the rain pool, the red dot indicating that an entry has not yet been placed for the next round. Click the Start Chatting button. No need to enter anything in the chat. Notice the rain pool icon is still red. Now click on the Qualify button. I understand, and check that the rain pool icon turns green. Next I'd go and watch some videos on Hideout TV. You need to register with Hideout TV first, then link your Contiply account with them. The exchange rate for 9 HDTV points is 51 Contiply coins. I've already watched some videos, so now ready to transfer to coins. After watching a few videos, I would then go and have a look at the surveys. There are loads to choose from here, but I will ever do two of them, Theorem and Your Surveys. They can be time consuming, but pay thousands of coins for each one. First thing I do is filter the length of time to the least, then select one of the highest paid ones. I just deleted a 6.5 minute clip of me completing that survey there, so the proposed 5 minutes was just about right. In the time it took to do that survey, the rain pool has reset, so need to reactivate it for the next round. Don't forget about the Android app. It is great for push-to-click ads, videos and faucet. Well, that's just about everything that I use when I'm on here. You should explore the site though to see what suits you. I do like the faucet and make sure it's done multiple times a day. Finally, have a look at my YouTube channel, as I've already uploaded videos on Contiply. Subscribe for more videos to follow in the future.